Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Big Z here from Learn Bengali, and in this tutorial, I'm going to go over a little advanced Bengali as requested by one of the viewers. Uh, she has some Bangladeshi background, and she asked me to translate like two sentences for her, which I will be doing in this video, and one or two more sentences in the next video, and that should be it. So this is not that simple stuff that I've been posting like lately. Will be a little advanced Bengali, and just letting you guys know that this is not the simple Bengali stuff, and the difficulty level is a little higher, but I'm going to go over some advanced words, like some difficult words and stuff with you guys, and will try my best to explain things to you. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. All right, so here we go. So these are the sentences we're translating. Let's go over them right now. They go like, I studied science at university. It was really difficult, challenging, but I worked very hard and put all my efforts into it in order to pass. Okay, so let's go over the first sentence again. I studied science at university. So what the heck is university? Right here is Bishobidalay. Bishobidalay. It's not easy. That's why a lot of people call it university down there anyway. But this is proper Bengali here, Bishobidalay. And study, I'm not going to go over the past tense here, just study. Now that's the present one, parashuna, and now we're just going to be using that over there. It will study, in this case, in this sentence, study is parashuna, which is equivalent to study. Okay, just to make myself clear here. And what else? Science is big gun. So it's just like if you break it down, big gun in English. I'm telling you. So big gun right there. And excuse me. So these three are important for the first sentences, University, studied or study, because they're going to be the same thing here, parashuna, right? And science or big gun. Okay, so here's the first sentence. Here's our first sentence. আমি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে বিজ্ঞান পড়াশোনা করেছি. Okay? I know it's not easy, but bear with me, guys, okay? I studied science at university, right here. আমি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে বিজ্ঞান পড়াশোনা করেছি. I also wrote that in English. Okay, so there you go. আমি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে বিজ্ঞান পড়াশোনা করেছি. That's the first sentence here. I studied science at university. Let's go over the second part here. It was not very. It was really difficult / challenging, but I worked very hard and put all my efforts into it in order to pass. Okay, let's look at the keywords here. Difficult is kotin. Kotin, okay? It's not kotin. It's not kotin. It's kotin, okay? Kotin, there's a ta here. Toroshikar, okay? Kotin. And ebong, but is kintu. Kintu, okay? And ebong, but kintu. Okay, and let's go over this sentence once again. Oh, what the heck? I'm missing I here. Okay, let's go. It was really difficult / challenging, but I worked very hard and put all my effort into it in order to pass. And I'm not going to translate challenging. Difficult is good enough. That's why I put it here. That's the keyword here. Difficult is kotin. Okay, so what is it saying? What the heck is going on? How am I going to translate this one? Let's go right here. Eta, in bracket I put big gun or science, because it was meaning it's referring to science over here, just to let you know. Okay, we don't even have to mention it in our sentence, but I put it down here anyway. So we can say এটা অনেক কঠিন ছিল, কিন্তু আমি পাশ করার জন্য কঠোর পরিশ্রম এবং অনেক চেষ্টা করেছি. Okay, let's go over that one more time. Maybe I'll have to go over that 2 more times. এটা অনেক কঠিন ছিল, কিন্তু আমি পাশ করার জন্য কঠোর পরিশ্রম এবং অনেক চেষ্টা করেছি. That's basically like the translation of this sentence over here. Okay, so here's what I've written in English here. Eta onek kothin chilo, kintu, that's the problem here. It should be kintu right here. Okay, kintu ami pass korar jonno kothor porishrom ebong onek chesta korechi. All right, so let's speak that in Bengali, these two sentences here right now. Okay, let's go. আমি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে বিজ্ঞান পড়াশোনা করেছি। এটা অনেক কঠিন ছিল, কিন্তু আমি পাশ করার জন্য কঠোর পরিশ্রম এবং অনেক চেষ্টা করেছি. Whew, crazy, right? I think so too. But it is what it is. Once again, let's go over these keywords here. University is Bishobidaloy, okay? Study is Parashuna. Science is Biggan. difficult is কঠিন, and is এবং, but is কিন্তু. Okay, so one more time, I'm gonna go over this in Bengali now. Again, আমি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে বিজ্ঞান পড়াশোনা করেছি। এটা অনেক কঠিন ছিল, কিন্তু আমি পাশ করার জন্য কঠোর পরিশ্রম এবং অনেক চেষ্টা করেছি। Whoo, yeah. So once again, let's go over these sentences again. This time I'm going to get rid of this because we don't need that, right? Okay. There we go. আমি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে বিজ্ঞান পড়াশোনা করেছি। এটা অনেক কঠিন ছিল, কিন্তু আমি পাশ করার জন্য কঠোর পরিশ্রম এবং অনেক চেষ্টা করেছি। Right? Hope this makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos, Big Z out.